Hi friends, this is Bilal Haider, and in this video part I'm sharing with you this um, explorer which I have created, and I will show various sections of this and show you how they work basically. Most of these links are dummy links. I will remove them when I will release um, this application, but for now whenever I need to add more things to it, I basically go and grab from these uh, dummy links. Okay, so anyways, so it has this info panel where it displays the information about the blockchain basically. Then it has this section where we have blocks, and if I click a block it takes me to that block, and it shows me who was the witness and what information this block has in it. All right, and if I click the witness, then it takes me to their account, and I can see how much voting power they have, how much uh, balance they have in their account, and I can also visit recent transactions which happened on their account. Okay, so I made a few things. They look very pretty, especially the comment part, and it looks like someone has written this comment, and it also shows the name of that person who commented. So if I click that name, it takes me to their profile, and then I can see what they are doing there. All right, so I can see, all right, um, someone made a comment to their profile, and then I see, all right, this guy, all right, let's see what it is doing. Then what I can do basically, I can click that person's recent transactions, and I can see what that person is doing. All right, so if I go to the properties, then it shows me how much reward fund is, how much the supply is, how much the BSD supply is, how much is the reserve rate. There is other information about chain. So if someone wants to look at this information, they can obviously look at it. And this search bar, this is very important as well. So if I want to search for someone, I can come here and I can type their name. So let me search for Lok, and I see, then I visit their profile. It takes me, this application takes me to their profile, and then I can see what they're doing. So if I open up the transactions, I can see that, alright, someone has accepted Lok as a witness, and alright, so he has vested this much bears, alright, powered up basically. And this another person has accepted Lok as a witness. He is making some comments, dumb comments here and there. One more thing about this search bar is that if I don't want to search for the users, I can also search for the blocks. So if I say I want to see what's in it in block number 5000, so if I click that, what it will do basically, it will search, it will grab that block. Okay, so it will tell me what was the block hash, who was the witness of this block, what was the signing key of that block, and what was the transactions, how many transactions were there in this block. All right, and these two links, if you click this one, it will take you to the sign up form where you can request an account for Bearshares, and this link will take you the Bearshares website. All right, so if I click that, it will take me to the Bearshares website, and if I click this one, it will take me to the sign up form. All right, okay, so for now this is all. I'm actually looking forward to make two more sections in here. Obviously I will remove all the other junk, or not junk, they're awesome, but the dummy links from here. So there will be dashboard, there will be properties, there will be one witnesses, there will be one more about us, where I will display what technologies I use to create this, and little bit documentation for the developers, if they wanted to make something like this. So 2 or 3 more sections here I will create, and I will obviously remove this one and all the other links, and this one as well. So the good thing about this is it is powered by the GraphQL server, which I implemented just for making this application. So this GraphQL server which is running here, basically this talks to the Bearshares blockchain, and then it brings the data for me that I can use inside of my React application. All right, so I have implemented few queries for this, and that were basically enough to create this application. Later I will add mutations here, so then I will be able to allow users to create posts using this application, and sign up, create accounts, and whatnot. So this is just a start. I will keep improving it and add more and more things in it. And by the way, this graph shows how much transactions were there in last 10 blocks. All right, so I see that this guy has produced this block. If I click the block link and I go down, I can see that it has one transaction inside of it. If I go back, and it also shows me that in past 10 blocks there was one transaction, and some guy upvoted another guy's some post with some share power. So this is pretty much all for this video part. Let me know what you guys think about this application, and that's all. See you guys next time. Bye bye.